Welcome to Stick Bandits. This video will demonstrate how to apply your stickers to your hockey stick. This is how your order will arrive in an envelope with a jacket with your stickers inside. Open up the jacket and remove the stickers. Cut out each sticker individually with a pair of scissors. Remove the clear transfer tape from the front of the sticker. Completely dry out the hockey stick that you're going to want to apply the sticker to, making sure that the stick is not wet at all. Line up the sticker with the hockey stick where you would like to see it. Typically it's on the face of the shaft. Once in position, apply the sticker to the stick. Smooth out the edges with your finger or a dry cloth. Once all the bubbles and imperfections are removed, remove the clear plastic back from the stick, grabbing it by an edge and pulling it slowly. Once the clear transfer tape is removed, use your finger to smooth out all the edges. Typically, wait about an hour before you use so the sticker can heal to the hockey stick. Thank you once again for buying from Stick Bandits.